I remember him almost every day. It's like we've lost a big part of our life.
For many, the affair with their pets continues even after a lifetime. After their mute friends pass away, they bring them to this pet cemetery in Kengeri to give a fitting farewell. People for Animals, a non-profit organization, operates a pet cemetery spread over 2 acres of land. Started in 2005, it houses about 7,000 animal tombs. On an average, around 70 burials take place each month. Cats, rabbits, squirrels, hamsters, birds, even roosters, and mostly dogs are buried here. A visit to the pet cemetery brings home touching visuals of human and animal bonding. You will see families that have come to give their pets a ritualistic burial. You will also see many mourning families sitting beside the final resting places of their pets.
So there are a lot of pet owners who come down every day. There are pet owners who come alternative days, and there are a few pet owners who comes once in a month. So there are visitors, the pet owners walking in almost, I can say, every day to visit their pet's grave.
Shashi and Tejaswini are mourning the loss of their beloved dog Henry. They visit his grave at least once every month.
He was just like a brother to me and a son to my father. So it means a lot that he has got a resting place and we can come over and visit. That means a lot.
Our home has become very lonely place without him, because the thing is, we never tied him. He was all around us wherever we used to go. Even whenever I used to go to my parents' place, he used to come along. And such a nice soul he was, and I don't think we will find another Andre.
A few months ago, Chetan's pet Pinky passed away. She was buried according to Hindu rituals. Pinky's surviving family visits her every week and leaves behind fresh flowers on her grave. Satyanarayan used to visit his pet Rooney's grave every day for 5 months. After he was transferred out of Bengaluru, the visits have become a weekly affair. Rooney's tomb, which cost rupees 75,000 to build, is the most expensive in the cemetery.
So he comes down every Friday to visit Rooney, and then his mother comes down every alternative days, and they come here, they clean the grave, they put garland, spend some time, and then they go.
For pet owners interested in bringing their departed pets here, there are 2 types of burials: normal and special. The normal burial costs rupees 4,500, while the special burial may range from rupees 18,000 to rupees 25,000.
We have people from all walks of life who come in and bury their pets. And especially the ones, yes, that we see in the special burial, few of them are a little more extravagant than what we offer. And they don't mind paying any amount to get something so fancy done for them. So of course, it's because they can also afford it, and it does not technically mean that they get something like that done just because they love their pet more than the others who bury it in the normal burial or anything like that.
The spots used for normal burials are reused after a year. In special burials, the grave stands intact for 3 years. Earlier, special burial meant that animal could rest for eternity without getting disturbed. But now, due to space crunch, People for Animals has been forced to reuse the spot after 3 years.